Now let's start with the steps in the accounting process. Number 1, identification of transactions. Number 2, recording. Number 3, classification. Number 4, summarization. Number 5, preparation of financial statements. Number 6, analysis and interpretation. Number 7, communication. Okay, let's discuss these topics in details with examples. Step 1, identification. Only financial transactions are recorded. Let's take some examples. You have purchased furniture for rupees 30,000. Will it be recorded? Answer is yes. Customer entered your shop. Will it be recorded? Answer is no. Owner's birthday. Will it be recorded? No. Bank loan of rupees 2 lakh. Will it be recorded? Answer is yes. So correct identification is the foundation. Okay. You need to find out whether the transaction is of financial nature or not. Only financial transaction should be recorded. Okay. Step 2, recording. Identify transactions recorded in journal, book of original entry. Let's take some examples. You purchase a furniture of rupees 40,000 for cash. Now what's need to be done? A journal entry need to be recorded. And what's the importance of that? No transaction forgotten, records complete, evidence preserved. Okay, that's the importance of recording. Now tell me, which events out of these enter the accounting process? Purchase goods, rupees 50,000. Will it enter the accounting process? Answer is yes. Paid salary, rupees 20,000. Will it enter the accounting process? Again, the answer is yes. Customer smiled. Now, will it enter the accounting process? Answer is no. You purchased a laptop, rupees 60,000. Now, will it enter the accounting process? Answer is yes. Rain started. Now, will it enter the accounting process? Answer is no. Received loan, rupees 5 lakh. Will it enter the accounting process? Answer is yes. Staff worked hard. Will it enter the accounting process? Answer is no. Always think as an accountant. Okay. Does it relate to business? Always ask these questions. Can it be measured in money? Does it affect financial position? If yes, then only record. Okay.